Thank you for joining us today. In this video, we'll show you how to port numbers for yourself or your clients through the LNP portal. Your first step will be to click Create Order. As you can see in this form, the first thing you'll need is a PDF of the LOA, or Letter of Authorization, dated within 30 days of submission, which needs to include the following. If you don't have an LOA, click See Example and download one to fill out and submit as part of this process. Next up, select whether you have a copy of your last billing statement or customer service record. If this record is unavailable, continue moving forward. This is the process for a local number. If you are porting a toll-free number, you need to fill out a RESPROG, or Responsible Organization LOA. For the number that you're porting, use one of the following service types. Select one of white or blue for use with a physical fax machine, or VFax, which is fax to email with no equipment required. If you have your own fax server and an HTTPS trunk with us, please note the account name to be used for routing, which will be coming up in the third page of the process. Enter the numbers you will be porting. In the cases where you want to port a number you control wholesale and there's no specific end user invoice available, please provide a CSR from your carrier. On this page, you can manually enter the information that's in your LOA. The authorization name is the person who's signing the LOA, while the end user name is a client or corporation name. Please double check that your billing telephone number is correct, as it may not be the same as the number being ported. Enter your account number, which often is the same as the number being ported. Enter in the rest of the service details, then upload your LOA and the billing statement or customer service record that we mentioned earlier in the video. The biggest reason that we see for port requests being denied is due to the wrong billing telephone number or service address being provided. A large part of why the carrier requests the most recent COB or CSR is to ensure these details are accurate and up to date, that the line is in service, and that any porting you may have done already for the account is factored in. To streamline the process, make sure that all details are correct. If a jeopardy is received for incorrect information provided, you may be required to provide a revised LOA. When you've completed all fields, make sure all the numbers that you're porting have been selected, then hit Next to proceed. For your PON, it's generally recommended to enter the number that you're porting to stay organized, or whatever information helps you quickly refer back to this order. Provided all the information is correct, ports generally complete within 2 business days for American port requests and about 7 business days for Canadian or toll-free ports. For your date, you can select whenever is most convenient for you, or you can select the earliest available date. After this, click Create LNP Order and you're all done. If further information is needed or you would like to get in touch with us, there's a useful feature called Notes, which makes it easy to communicate with regards to any orders. Thank you so much for watching.